Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will tell you about how to install non-free firmware on Debian 12. Debian 12 releases only one ISO. The non-free firmware is already loaded, but you need to enable the repository in etc apt sources.list. Here you need to add the non-free repository, not non-free firmware, because it will be already enabled. Save and exit. Sudo apt update to load the repository. Then you need to install the packages for the various firmware, such as firmware Linux non-free, Bluehead's firmware for Bluetooth devices, AMD 64 firmware if you have AMD CPU such as Ryzen or Athlon, Intel microcode if you have Intel CPU i3, i5, i7, and firmware AMD graphics if you have AMD graphics card both integrated and desktop. If you have NVIDIA card, the firmware will be already installed together with NVIDIA driver. Then the most important thing, the firmware for the Wi-Fi card, otherwise it will not work. You need to check the Wi-Fi card manufacturer, for example IWL or Intel Wi-Fi card like mine. There is also firmware Atheros, firmware Broadcom, firmware Intel 2200 like my old laptop, the black one, firmware Libertas, firmware Atheros. Then after you install everything, you will recompile the kernel automatically, then reboot. In this way you will use the new kernel that integrated the non-free device drivers inside, and then your Wi-Fi card will work well on Debian 12 bookworm. See you later guys.